Primetime news this evening. Ban on single-use plastics pushed back. Opposition senator accuses the government of having dual citizens in parliament. And FSC loses control of SSL.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. A special welcome as well if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
And I'm Kelisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Thank you so much, Kelisha. Well, we'll be looking at the country's performance in the manufacturing industry, and China has been a major trading partner with Jamaica for a number of years. We'll tell you how much the investment has been valued in the financial week later.
And our trading partner in sports, Spencer Darlington, is here with a preview. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Giovanni. Well, a host of global stars are down to compete at the Racers Grand Prix tomorrow at the National Stadium. We'll have a preview in Primetime Sports later.
Looking forward to that. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And it is about the Racers Grand Prix. What event are you looking forward to seeing at the Racers Grand Prix on Saturday? Give reasons for your answer.
Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.